Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review at DREAMGEAR GRX-340 Advanced Wireless Gaming Headsets for the PS4. So about 20 bucks all at Menards. So Menards is what I got it at. About 21 bucks is what I paid for this. So I don't know how good it is, but we're going to see. Hopefully it is a little bit better than these Tryon brand that I bought at Walmart that you've seen the review on. I mean, these ones, they were actually pretty good. Now notice how the ear cups are in a square shape compared to traditional, round shaped ones. These ones actually, I thought wasn't going to be that good because, square versus round. But they actually cut my ears pretty good. And they were definitely a great noise canceling headset and had a lot of background bass boom. So that, when you're gaming or listening to music, it sounds a lot better. But, yeah, these ones, they unfortunately didn't hold that great. I mean, the wire here for the mic was okay. I mean, yeah, I love that. I love this cushioning piece around the head, on the head. The ear cups were just some of the best ear cups, and sound quality was the best. But the controller was pretty easy. On and off the mic and the volume, real simple to figure out. But as you can see, I had used tape and some 2-pits to try to fix it, and even then it still broke. So sometimes by just putting it on and hanging it like this, I could hear the music through both of the earpieces. Usually it cuts out and just goes into the left one. So then to do the right one, I gotta take my finger, kind of bend it, apply pressure, and then hold it down. So if I'm going to answer the phone or anything else online, I need 2 hands to type in to the website, or obviously for gaming, not gonna work. So I mean, I can't remember how much I paid for these ones. But if you check out the video down there, and the play link, which I think is under gaming or something, or video games, it's in there. Or maybe it's under headsets. I know it's in one of those playlists. Like I said, I can't remember exactly the price that I paid for these ones, but for the price, yeah, they definitely were better than the price. I just wish that they would hold out a little bit longer, but yeah. So now we're going to be taking a look at this one. So let's see if I can get the can to focus here. So 40mm audio device, mic and mute switch, inline volume control. Right there, of course, that's for the PS4. Looking at the side of the box, connects to PS4 controller, noise canceling microphone. So that's actually pretty cool that it'll cancel any background noise. A mute switch, volume control, 4-foot cable length. So it's like 1.5 meters. I'm just gonna go with the American 4-foot cable length. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Now here it says includes, the headset, Xbox 360 cable user guide. So I guess you could put on a 360, which, doesn't really make sense because 360s came out back in the day with PS3, and here they're advertising it for PS4. So instead of Xbox 360, you think they would have said Xbox One, maybe Xbox One S, or Xbox One X, because I know the Xbox One, they came with what was it, 1 or 2 different sublines. So yeah, and then here it just kind of tells you all the same stuff. And then just showing you how you could connect to an Xbox headset. And then it says also works with, Xbox 360, which I think what they meant was Xbox One series, not the 360 series. PS Vita, Nintendo Switch, and other Nintendo handheld systems. 3DS, 2DS, honestly. But I think that it's kind of fun that they're saying Xbox 360, yet all the other things are kind of new. Like, you know, the Vita, and it's not too new. The Switch, that's pretty new that came out. And then other Nintendo things, so. Yeah, let's go ahead, open it up, tailor it. There's tape on this side too. And this side. So I mean, when they tape the package, they tape it pretty good, I guess. Because, you know, I've just thought that it was taped here, but nope, here and here. So, I guess that's pretty good. Okay, I'm looking in there. I don't see any paperwork as they were saying. Where was it? Oh yeah, up here about includes Xbox 360 cable user guide. Unless that's buried somewhere up in here. Yep, and it probably is. Oh yeah, there we go.